Welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where we're here at Gröna Lund in Sweden.
We are.
And we're on Twister. So this is a gravity group wooden roller coaster that actually opened here at the park back in 2011. It's got a wooden track, it's got steel supports, jetline. And what makes this is the fact that it interacts with a lot of other rides. It's actually quite a long layout for a very small section in the park, including an epic first drop. We're on the back row. Lovely evening here in Stockholm, and here we go. Woo! Oh, wow! Woo! Hey! Woo! You got some really good pops of airtime on this. It's Twister. Woo! Charlotte's flying everywhere. Hey! Woo! Oh, it's epic. 1 minute you feel like you're going that way. Woo! Woo! Next minute you go the other way. Oh, right next to the water as well. Whoa! Woo! Oh! Woo! Hooray! Oh! Blimey. God, it all happens so quick on there. You think you're going this way, that way, backwards, forwards.
Oh my god.
Well, enjoy that.
Great ride.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Packed with airtime, a really good layout, and yeah, it's got the Timberliner trains that I'm not a huge fan of. Yeah, I suppose it had to be for this. It had to be a small train for the size of it. But there we go. Thanks for joining us. That's Twister at Gröna Lund, and it leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.